said she see me on the block and hit the box. Shorty said she see me on the block and hit the out your feelings, get up and go get 'em. This is the game for them, this is the game.
Okay, so hopping right into it, we're going to be using the MAC Cucumber Prime and Fix Spray to set our face. Then we're going to do our eyebrows. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And I just have an angle brush. I'm just going to be outlining the my eyebrow. You ain't even got to fill it in, girl. Just do the shape for it because our eyebrows going to be like a dark teal blue icy kind of thing. So this is honestly just to like give that shape, the outline for it. Then going into the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be using this dark teal color called Busted. I'm just going to be filling in my eyebrows. Then going into the Rivera palette by Anastasia, I'm going to be using this teal color called Seychelles, or I don't even know how to say it, but basically we're just going to be ombreing our eyebrows, making it like kind of more frosty looking. This is like going to be the base of the eyebrow before we put like the little frost, you know, flakes in there. Now we're going to be cleaning up our eyebrows. I'm using this foundation stick just because I couldn't find any of my concealers, but basically just cleaning up your eyebrow. I used one that was probably about 3 or 4 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. So this is just going to make them pop out a little bit more. Now using that same foundation stick, I'm just going to be applying it all over my lids, then taking a flat brush just to blend it all out. Now using CoverGirl's Lash Primer, this is what I'm going to be using to get some of those like frosted, flaky kind of brow hair. So I'm just going to be applying that all over my eyebrows. This is like the first step to the frosty brows. So then taking NYX's eyeshadow base primer, I'm going to be blending that out all over my all over my eyelid. Now using my favorite Morphe and James Charles palette, we're going to be taking that bright dark blue and basically just blending that out in the crease. Then going back into the palette, we're going to be using this bright blue just for like a almost like the transition color in a way, just to blend out all harsh lines. Now going back into that primer base that we put on our lids before in a flat brush, we're just going to be cutting the crease. Now we're going to be setting our cut crease with a white eyeshadow. Then we're going to go back into the James Charles palette to use that shimmery light blue. And this is just to put all over, like probably to the mid-center of the cut crease. Okay, so my camera's gonna cut off, but basically what I'm doing right now is taking that blue that we put in our crease and a black, and I'm going to be shadowing the outer corners of my eye, and then taking that blue that we put as our transition color and kind of just blending out the harsh, like I did before, the harsh lines, making sure it's a nice clean ombre effect. Then using this pale gold shade, I'm just going to be highlighting the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm just going to be cleaning out the the outer edge of the eyeshadow, just so it can get a nice sharp cat eye almost like effect. So just taking a flat brush and some concealer, just going to be erasing that. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX white liquid liner. Me cleaning out the outer edge with that concealer helps as a base. It just makes it easier for me personally to make a wing. Just a tip for anybody who wanted to know. That's how I do it. Now using that same lighter, I'm just going to be creating like soft white strokes in my eyebrows just to give it a more dramatic, frosty-like effect. Then I'm going to be applying about 2 coats of the CoverGirl White Base Mascara. And this is my little kitty, Jay-Z, making his little cameo. Okay, so I used the foundation stick that I had put on the eyelids to conceal the eyebrows, but I realized like when I started blending it out that it was way too, it just wasn't cute. So I kind of just mixed in like a darker foundation color just to blend it out. It still gave it like a pale, like icy look, but it just wasn't as, like I didn't look like Casper. Now taking my Aurora Cover FX drops, I'm going to be applying that all over my forehead and blending that out. Now taking some mermaid scales that I got from, I think, Amazon. I want to say like $3. Just applying that all over my forehead. I soon realized that using a brush was a dumb idea. So I say the best way to put this on is with your fingers, or like I just did, just slapping that boy on there. Now going back in it with, again, I feel like I'm just like caking this on. Honestly, it wasn't as cakey as it's looking. Like the end result was not as bad. But I just basically did my highlight. Then I set it with this airspun powder. Got this for like $5 at Walmart. Then I took this blue shimmer liner by NYX and applied that on my waterline. Then I went back into the Rivera palette by Anastasia and used that blue shimmer shade that we put in our eyebrows. And this is just gonna smoke it out, make everything blend into each other. Now we're going to be applying lashes. I'm using Spooky Lashes in Pixie Dust for mine. They're so cute. They're like the sparkly, white, frosty looking lashes. But before putting on the bottom eyelashes, I applied some white eyeliner, and this just kind of helped define it in a way, instead of it just looking like you just stuck some lashes on the bottom of, you know, on your face basically. So it just kind of makes it look a little bit more dramatic, more poppy, more icy. So for contour, I'm going to be using those two blue shades that we put on our lids. And then I went back in and used a white shadow just to smooth and buff everything out. And then taking a brown shade, I'm just going to be doing my nose contour. Snatch that nose, make it look like I can breathe. Okay, so I went to Joann's. I got these for about $2. We're going to be taking pearls, jewels, whatever you want to put on your forehead to make you sparkle. Put all those on. I just put them on all kind of assorted, like just so, you know, can look cute. Now taking a nude lipstick. This is by NYX's lingerie line. Any kind of nude lipstick that kind of just mutes out everything. I wanted it to just be mute on the outside so I can do the reverse ombre. Then I'm going to be taking this dark blue color and putting that on the center of my lips. And kind of just blending that out. Kind of giving me like a frostbitten cold look. Now I'm going to be using highlight by Laura Geller. What is this? French Vanilla. Yeah. Anyways, putting that all over my top lip just to give it a more icier look. Now using highlight from Huda Beauty, it's this white frosty color. I'm just going to be putting it on the top of my lid, my nose, my cheekbones, just to intensify and detail everything. Girl, we almost done. This is the last step, all right? Just put your contacts in. These contacts I got from TTDI. They were having a promotion. It was buy two, get one free. Of course, my camera didn't want to zoom in on the thing. But anyways, buy two, get one free. And their prescription, they came within a week. Very affordable, very comfortable. You can still tee up, party, and see what's going on in the club. So highly recommend getting these if you're looking for any kind of color contacts at all. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. For my headpiece, I went to Michael's. I think I spent like $5. I just got a bunch of Christmas decorations and a headband and literally just hot glue gun all of this on there. It took less than like 10 minutes, honestly. This is the quickest, easiest thing ever. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg just to look cute. But I hope you guys like the final look. Let me know. Thumbs this video up. Subscribe if you haven't did it. Thanks for watching. Bye.